Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about a YouTube channel called Dr. Neak. From what I can tell, Dr. Neak is just the name of the channel. There's no way a real doctor is involved. The channel was created in July of 2019, currently has 4,000 subscribers, and they claim the location is Singapore. Plus, I think the profile picture is a stock photo. All of the thumbnails appear to be clickbaitish photoshops. I'm sure nobody expects these to be real videos, but for some reason they seem extremely clickable. I'll show you more of these in a minute. The videos themselves seem to be zoomed in Asian spa videos. In other words, they aren't exactly original content. Perhaps altered re-uploads. In my opinion, YouTube will likely delete the channel in the coming months, or they will remove the thumbnails. What do you think? Should YouTube take down Dr. Neak, or should they just leave things be? The videos seem to be getting decent likes, and let's face it, there are some very watchable pops on there. Here's a couple more highlights. Now let's take a look at some of those bizarre thumbnails. Whoa, they are brutal. Kinda horrible and yet awesome. This is the most popular video with about 400,000 views. So what do you think? Should YouTube leave oddity channels like this alone, or should they delete channels like this? Leave your comments below. Now let me tell you a little bit about blackhead removal tools. It's the kit I use and recommend, and I think you'll love it.